Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Jean Eflora, 32 years old. I live in Philippines. I am high school graduate, married, blessed with two daughters, 15 years old and 4 years old. My hobbies are cooking and singing. I have experience in Kuwait as a domestic helper with 2 years 8 months. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 kids, ages 2 years 4 months and 1 years old. My main duties are cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, marketing, and taking care their kids. Mom, sir, if you choose me as your domestic helper, I will do your duties and responsibilities. I follow your rules and I promise to take care your kids as my own kids. I am hardworking person, responsibilities, loyal and trustworthy. Thank you and God bless. Have a nice day.